Thakur, as you know, J&J's future growth depends on more business in nappy pads. Everything is in your hands now.
Thank God, it's not in my leg.
Critical funding for beauty business, Neutrogena launch, Harshal's food, everything depends on growth in nappy pads.
Amma pagoda.
See, he has even reduced 11 kgs now. Please do something so we can at least buy him a chicken burger.
छन से जो टूटे कोई सपना, जग सुना सुना लागे, जग सुना सुना लागे, अपना जग सुना सुना लागे, जग सुना सुना है।
अरे दोस्त, why are you looking so upset?
What beta? I have to give growth on nappy pads, but can't go for market work or consumer visit because of my broken leg.
Don't you worry. Don't you remember Jay and Viru, who sold tampons in Tripura last year and achieved 40% growth?
Oh, yeah, I remember those guys. But these are the most gila guys I've ever seen. They won't work for me.
You don't worry. You just have to tell them that they will get a chance to meet Basanti. And I'm sure they will be ready.
I think you are right. They are the guys who can solve my problem.
वो बदमाश हैं, लेकिन बहादुर हैं, खतरनाक हैं, इसलिए कि लड़ना जानते हैं, बुरे हैं, मगर इंसान हैं।
जय पाजी, एकदम। कहिए ठाकुर साहब, हमें किस लिए बुलाया?
I had a bad fall and can't go for consumer visit. I need someone who can give me 30% growth on nappy pad and save the company.
ठाकुर साहब, हमने मार्केटिंग छोड़ दी है, अब हमें एड एजेंसी जाना है। वहां रत्ना है, वंदना है, अन्वी है। आपके पास क्या है?
मेरे पास बसंती है।
बसंती?
अबे वीरू, बसंती? ठाकुर साहब, मैं तो तैयार हूं। ठीक है ठाकुर साहब, मैं भी तैयार हूं, लेकिन मैं मार्केट वर्क नहीं करूंगा, मैं सिर्फ बसंती के साथ कंज्यूमर वर्क करूंगा।
ठीक है।
Hi Basanti, I am Jay and this is Viru and we have come here for consumer work to understand you better.
Jay Paji, Basanti is beautiful. Let's ditch this consumer work. मैं बसंती मेरी और अपने फ्यूचर की बात करते हैं।
अरे शांत गधारी भीम, शांत। So Basanti, tell us something about yourself. How do you spend your day and your night?
I wake up, take a bath, brush my teeth, have my breakfast and go to bed again.
Keep going, keep going.
अरे युकी, हमें ज्यादा बात करने की आदत तो है नहीं। I go to bed again. Actually, my baby, he doesn't let me sleep at night now.
You have kids? You look so young.
Who said I have kids? Actually, I was talking about my husband. I call him baby प्यार से. He's very sweet. See his photograph.
अरे बहुत ही प्यारा बच्चा है। As we also call our Viru baby.
Oh, so cute. You're richer than my husband.
अरे शांत गदाधारी भीम, शांत, रुक जा।
जय पाजी एकदम अपने टाइप की है।
Actually, आप जैसे consumers के लिए ही our company has launched bedtime range for people who go to sleep very frequently. But don't you get bored?
बसंती, अब मैं आ गया हूँ। I won't let you get bored anymore. When your husband is not in town, just give me a call.
Someone in Western India will not be very happy to hear this. Yellow Neutrogena. This will make your skin younger and more beautiful.
I trusted these gila guys, but they have sold Neutrogena instead of nappy pads. What will happen now?
हाहा, हम अंग्रेजों के जमाने के मैनेजर हैं। आप चिंता मत करिए। I will take care of these two guys. I'll just need an input on the nappy pad. You give me state-wise, district-wise, distributor-wise, retailer-wise, brand-wise, franchise-wise, SKU-wise, customer-wise data.
Ada, Avi, I can personally cover all these outlets in the time I spend in collecting this data.
Let's take help of wholesale. Let's call Gabbar. Haha.
अरे गब्बर जी, क्या यार बहुत फाइट है।
क्या हुआ ठाकुर?
अरे I wanted to do some game plan on nappy pad. सब चौपट हो गया गब्बर जी, अब तो आपका ही सहारा है। Can we go to tertiary markets?
ऐसा है ठाकुर, आज भी जब गांव में कोई रिटेलर होता है तो उसे होलसेलर कहता है कि चुप हो जा, गब्बर आ जाएगा। इतने गांव चुप कराए कि एक गांव का नाम तो नोमोटियस गांव हो गया। तुम टेंशन मत लो, गब्बर सब संभाल लेगा।
थैंक यू गब्बर जी।
जो डर गया समझो मर गया।
I am glad to have here Mr. Thakur, head of the baby franchise, Mr. Gabbar, our wholesale team head, and our key accounts head, who will be sharing with us their visionary plans for catching the tertiary markets, after which Kalia will share with us his action plans.
इतना सन्नाटा क्यों है भाई?
Friends, we are here to discuss the relaunch plan of baby nappy pads. We have seen the schemes which customer marketing has given for the relaunch. Apart from this, since we are entering tertiary markets, I have few innovative plans for promotions. IPL, Indian Pad League, cultural program. अब लोग nappy में ही happy. Local face propagating the benefits of nappy pad, and we have selected Shah Rukh Khan.
Shah Rukh Khan?
What beta?
Yes sir, now he's going rural.
It is looking like a good plan. And plus, winners don't do different things. They do it differently. कितने होलसेलर थे?
सरकार 6
और पेटी
3।
होलसेलर 6 और पेटी 3, बहुत नाइंसाफी है। क्या सोचा था? सरदार खुश होगा, शाबाशी देगा।
पर सरकार, मैंने तो रिटेल एक्टिवेशन किया है।
तब होलसेल स्कीम चला। एक पैक नैपी पैड के साथ एक न्यूट्रोजेना बॉटल चला।
अरे ये तो राधा है, न्यूट्रोजेना की ब्रांड मैनेजर।
तुम ये घूंघट क्यों डाले हुए हो?
My skin needs to be protected, not only from UVA, but also from UVB.
तो फिर तुम कब तक ऐसे रहोगे?
Till the cows come home.
We have picked up all the stocks of Neutrogena and given it free with nappy pads. Everything is sold. Basanti is happy with nappy and wants to say thanks to you.
सरदार खुश हुआ। आज बसंती टू मीट अस इन ठाकुर ऑफिस। ये हाथ हमको दे दे ठाकुर। नहीं, ये हाथ हमको दे दे ठाकुर। नहीं, I mean congratulations, सारा माल बेच दिया।
Thanks गब्बर, I wouldn't have been able to do this without you.
थैंक यू गब्बर जी, क्या अमेजिंग ऑफर दिया आपने। We have never got Neutrogena free. Neutrogena worth ₹200 free with nappy pad worth ₹20.
थैंक्स ठाकुर, ये स्कीम तो ANP से ही जा रहा है।
I am the पोचे।
जब तक है